Hello kids, how are you doing? I'm Dr. Sam Davidson. I'm a dentist, meaning I'm a teeth doctor. So in this session, I'll be giving you some basic information and knowledge about how to clean your teeth and how to maintain a good oral hygiene, and I'll be showing some subtle magic tricks for you. I know all you love magic tricks, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first one is brushing. I know most of you or all of you will be brushing your teeth in the morning. That's a good thing. But the issue is most of you will be brushing only once. That's the problem. You should not brush only once. You have to brush twice. Once in the morning, once in the night. Second thing is, why do we need to brush our teeth? It's because there will be a lot of germs on the surfaces of the teeth. So just by brushing your teeth regularly, you'll be getting rid of all the germs. So if you brush your teeth, all those germs will be gone. But if you don't, it will come back. Third thing is, what happens if you don't brush your teeth? Yeah, as I said earlier, if you don't brush your teeth, the germs gets attached into the surfaces of the teeth. If the germs get attached to the surfaces of your beautiful teeth, it leads to tooth decay, meaning it will cause tooth pain. So you cannot eat properly, you cannot eat chocolates especially. So just to avoid these kind of tooth decay, you have to maintain a good oral hygiene by brushing your teeth and keeping your precious little beautiful teeth in a good shape. Fourth one is chocolates. Yeah, I know you all love chocolates, even I do. But the problem is most of your parents won't allow you all to eat chocolates as much. You know the reason why? It's because eating a lot of chocolates will cause tooth decay and will cause tooth pain. But I eat a lot of chocolates and I won't get tooth decay or tooth pain. You wanna know why? There's a little secret in that. I'll tell you why. So chocolate is basically a sticky substance. It gets sticked into your teeth and it will attract more of the germs if you don't clean. So as soon as you eat your chocolate, as soon as you finish the chocolate, you have to swish, rinse and spit it out. You have to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water and you have to spit it out. So eating chocolate is not a bad thing, but as soon as you rinse, it's not a bad thing. So if you rinse after eating chocolate, it's a good thing. So you can eat any amount of chocolate you want. So kids, if you have a strong tooth like mine, you can do this. Watch out. It's a magic. Stay safe, stay secure, have fun. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Okay, everybody, it's time to brush your teeth. Go get your toothbrush. Brush, brushy, brush, brushy, brush, brush. Brush, brushy, brush, brushy, brush, brush. Brushy, brush, go up and down.
Brush, brushy, brush.
Brushy, brush, go round and round.
Brush, brushy, brush.
To keep teeth happy, here's the truth.
Brush, brushy, brush.
You gotta brush each and every tooth.
Brush, brushy,
The
brush.
teeth in the front get a lot of care.
Brush, brushy,
But
brush.
don't forget the ones back there. Brush your teeth. Keep them looking clean and right.
Brush, brushy, brush, brush, brush.
Brush your teeth. Every day and every brushy, brush them round and round.
Brush, brush and brush.
To keep teeth happy, here's the truth.
Brush, brush and brush.
You gotta brush each and every tooth.
Brush, brush and
The
brush.
teeth in the front get a lot of care.
Brush, brush and
But
brush.
don't forget the ones back there. Brush your teeth. Keep them looking clean and right.
Brush, brush and brush. Brush,
Brush your teeth. Every day and every night.
brush, brush and brush. Brush, brush, brush.
Now your toothpaste may taste good
Brush, brush and brush.
when you got it in your mouth.
Brush, brush and brush.
But you should never swallow it.
Brush, brush and
You
brush.
got to spit it out. Go on and spit, we'll wait for it. Brush your teeth. Keep them looking clean and right.
Brush, brush and brush. Brush,
Brush your teeth. Every day and every night.
brush, brush and brush. Brush, brush, brush.
Now it's your parents' turn. Here's what you gotta do. Let them have your toothbrush so that they can brush your teeth. Think that you're almost done. Brush, brushy, brush, brushy, brush, brush. Brush, brushy, brush, brushy, brush, brush. Brushy, brush them up and down.
Brush, brush and brush.
Brushy, brush them round and round.
Brush, brush and
To
brush.
keep teeth happy, here's the truth.
Brush, brush and
You
brush.
gotta brush each and every tooth.
Brush, brush and
The
brush.
teeth in the front get a lot of care.
Brush, brush and
But
brush.
don't forget the ones back there. Brush your teeth. Keep them looking clean and right.
Brush, brush and brush. Brush,
Brush your teeth. Every day and every night.
brush, brush and brush. Brush, brush, brush.
Now your toothpaste may taste good
Brush, brush and brush.
when you got it in your mouth.
Brush, brush and brush.
But you should never swallow it.
Brush, brush and
You
brush.
got to spit it out. Go on and spit, we'll wait for it. Brush your teeth. Keep them looking clean and right.
Brush, brush and brush. Brush,
Brush your teeth.